If you're experiencing account sync issues in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends server status page to ensure that the servers are up and running. If there are any ongoing issues, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify account linkage. Log into your EA account and check if your Apex Legends account is properly linked to the correct platform: Origin, Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. If it is not linked correctly, update the settings. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC players, you can clear the cache by deleting temporary files related to the game. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EA support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the issue and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues in Apex Legends. If problems continue, staying in touch with support will help you find a solution.